Warning! To avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. An internal puncture or rupture to the battery has the potential to cause a short, which may result in a thermal event. Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly and heatsink. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchscreen ZIF connector and disconnect the touchscreen ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the touchscreen ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the battery. Remove the two 2.6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left USB board bracket to the display enclosure. Lift the left USB board bracket off of the left USB board and remove. Remove the two 2.6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right USB board bracket to the display enclosure. Lift the right USB board bracket off of the right USB board and remove. Remove the two 2.3mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the battery to the display enclosure. While supporting the battery with both hands, carefully lift it off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the battery.